Hello smart viewers, welcome to this channel again, DET Practical English Teaching, with me Mr. Donald. Well, in this video, I'd like to tell you a short story again related to the use of simple present tense. Well, to improve your speaking skill, you must listen to me carefully and repeat sentence by sentence as I'm going to tell you a short story. Well, we use simple present tense here in this video. We use single third person as subject of frame. Well, the pattern of simple present tense, we can use to be, is for single third person. The pattern of the simple present tense here is subject plus is plus adjective, noun or adverb. We use is because the subject here is single third person, or he, or Frank Mitchum. Well, we use also verb 1 plus s or es when we use verb. Subject plus verb 1 plus s or es when we use verb. Alright, now to improve your speaking skill, you must listen to me carefully and repeat sentence by sentence. Are you ready? Now, Frank Mitchum is still in prison. It is 9 o'clock in the morning, but he is happy. He is happy because today is his last day in prison. Alright, Mitchum, you can leave now. I don't want to see you again, the guard says to Frank Mitchum. And I don't want to see you again, Frank Mitchum replies. Well, do you still remember the story? Now please listen again and repeat after me sentence by sentence to improve your speaking skill. Alright. It is 9 o'clock in the morning. Frank Mitchum is still in prison. But he is happy. He is happy because today is his last day in prison. Alright, Mitchum, you can leave now. I don't want to see you again, the guard says to Frank Mitchum. And I don't want to see you again, Frank Mitchum replies. Okay, do you still remember the story? Well, you should be able to retell the story to improve your speaking skill. Now please listen and answer my question. Question number 1. Is it 9 o'clock in the morning or is it 9 o'clock in the evening? Question number 2. Is Frank Mitchum still in prison? Question number 3. Is he happy or sad? The next question, please. Is today his last day in prison? What does the guard say to Frank Mitchum? The last question. What does Frank Mitchum reply? Well, I hope that this video is useful for you. If you like it, you should subscribe, give comment and share. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video. Bye bye.